This is how I make my leaves. I'm using Glad Wrap so I get nice smooth rounded edges. And you see it's rounded the edges. A little stamp that I've made out of bisque, and I'm going to pop that on my leaf shape that I've cut out, and it creates a little leaf pattern. I can use the other side of this one. See, that one's, I've used both sides of the stamp. That one's just got like a gum leaf line down the middle. And then we get, or if I grab this one, and that's much smaller, but you get a nice little